morning, good afternoon and good evening to all. Welcome back to iSelf Academy YouTube channel for Excel User Series 3.2. In our video 8, we are about to see how to work with SORT and SORTBY formula in Office 365. Normally we would have used the SORT and SORTBY or custom sort in a ribbon function. So for the first time we are about to use that as a formula. When I wrote a recent expert exams in Office 365, I got one of a question that talks about sort by functionality in Excel. Let's see how to do that. So I'm going to just go back to my data set here, and I have a data set which I built in this list, and then I'm going to build a sort the data in an ascending order by the product column here. When I use a sort function in Excel, I will number the column here, so that's why I numbered it on top, so to easily identify which column that I'm about to pull in this data set. And then if I'm using the sort by functionality, I will specify the column here. I won't specify the numbers here. Again, to make our life a little more easier, I just created a name manager here for the entire data set of data. So I use data set as a name manager, and then for the product column, when I'm going to come back to my sort by function, I want to pull the data by product, so I created a product name manager which allows me to pull the data set faster. So let's see how to do that. So I'm going to go back to my first formula. I'm going to say equals, let's see, sort, and then I'll give a data set as the name of the data above. I'm going to give a comma, and this time I'm going to pull the product in an ascending order. So for the product column, the number is 6, so I'm going to give a 6 here. Then I give a comma, then I'm going to give you a drop down menu. Would you like to sort the data in a particular order called ascending or descending? The first point, I would like to take data in ascending order, so I'm going to give a tab and give an enter. That's going to populate all my data in an ascending order based on the product here. That goes in an alphabetical order, so that's going to become a reversal order. When I do that the other way around, so I'm going to again give the sort functionality here. Again, the data set is what I'm going to use. I give a comma, and I'm going to select the same product column, but this time around I'm going to use a descending order functionality. I'm going to give a -1 by specifying that. When I give an enter, that's going to populate the same answer, but again, the order of the data is going to be the other way around. Again, when I use a sort function, I call this sort the data here in ascending order. I specify the column which I would like to do that, but if I use the same thing, the result is going to be the same, but the way in which I produce this data will be different. Again, I name them all in a name manager, so I'm going to just use the name manager. I'm going to say sort by first here, and then when I choose that, I'm going to use the array it's an array point as data set, comma, and the sort column is going to be, I'm going to use by array is called product, and I'm going to give a comma, and then I say ascending order close the bracket. It does give you the same answer, but again, there's the data, I didn't choose the references here, so again I'm using a sort by functionality. Data set is my data, comma, product is my column of data that I want to sort things by, comma, and then I give a descending over here. Same answer comes 2 dimensions here, so I'm going to let me make this a little bigger. So this is how we can use a sort command and a sort by functionality. Again, if you're writing Office 365 Excel expert examination, probably in your last project you will get one question in this. Use sort by the product here, so you can choose the columns here. They would have mentioned a column here, so you do a cell references in this data, not a name manager like I did. So this is how we do sort and sort by. Hope you guys learned something new in today's dynamic array function in Office 365. See you soon with lots more video. Thank you so much. Cheers.